What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I bring you a little foam build. I'm trying to become a foam smith, but it's not as easy as I was thinking. It's just a lot more complicated topic to me. It's a lot of work, a lot of learning and experience you have to go through. What I got here is the back part of Green Lantern armor. Well, it was supposed to be the back part, but due to certain circumstances that didn't help me out, this is gonna be one of my failures. Problem here, as you guys can see, it doesn't have a shape that makes it look like an armor. It actually looks like a Ninja Turtle shell, and I'm gonna tell you why, guys. When I started building this, I didn't know that certain parts of the foam were supposed to be cut in certain bevels on inside or outside. The cuts were supposed to have an angle to make the armor look like an armor. So I just cut everything straight. I glue it together, and this is what you get. The problem with that is I use a lot of material, a lot of glue, and a lot of time. So I'm just bringing you this video, guys, so you can see what I did wrong. You're supposed to study your prints, study your files before you put anything together, because if not, this is money right here. Money and time, and you don't get any of those back. So before you do anything, make sure you cut your foam in the way it's supposed to be, and don't make a whole part. Make little parts to see if that's the way it's supposed to look. Google it, ask people, send emails to Foam Smith. There's a lot of people who really like to help you out. I like a lot of punish props. That's where I learn a lot of it. It didn't came out as good as I was expecting because of that. It's a big mistake. So remember, the way you glue it has a lot to do with it, and the way you cut it. Bevels, you're supposed to cut different. Not everything is just straight. Some parts are supposed to be straight, but not everything. If not, you get a big failure like this. So just want to show you this, guys, and give you a little feedback, and hopefully this help you with it. So have a good one, guys. Make sure you read your paper files correctly. Have a good one. Bye.